Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I will share with you how you can remove a background of a picture in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, and search to Google. Click the first link and log into your Canva Pro account. If you want to remove background of a picture, you have to use Canva Pro. You cannot use Canva Free for removing background of a picture. So after that, you have to click on create a design, go to picture, like here you can see Facebook profile picture. So choose the picture from here and let's remove the background. Let's choose this one. So we are gonna remove this background. Okay, this black back. Just click on this picture once and you can see here edit image. Click on this. Then you can see here background remover. Click on this. Wait for a second and it will be removed. See, your background is removed. Or you can erase it by clicking on this every portion like this. Okay, so guys, this is how you can remove background in a picture in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.